here we go. I think. Here we kind of go. 20th of 1. Okay. And 2. I am very slow today. I am so sorry. I will get my act together momentarily. Let's do this. Oh, no, did the wrong thing. Oopsie. Okay, we're back to doing the correct thing. Hey, Augustine, what's up? I'm getting you. Abhishek? Ayo. How's everybody doing today? Laura, hi. How have you been? You've been awfully quiet. How's Nasdaq been treating you? I know it's been a little bit yucky the last few days because of all the holidays. Even yesterday wasn't great, but I guess it is what it is. Okay, we're good. I can see things. I can see things again. Sorry, I am disheveled today. I don't think there's a better explanation, but I am disheveled, but we're going with it, we're sticking with it. It is what it is. Thanks, David. Been in a lot of pain dealing with bad information from the horse. That's how long ago was this? Oh, thanks, Rip. You guys are so sweet. Thanks, guys. Ellipses, good morning. David, shout out, thank you. Oh man, you guys are too much. Damn. Calm down, big spender. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Thank you. Looking good for a human. Ellipses, I appreciate that. I am disheveled today. To the point that I'm even wearing like my, you can't see it, I'm wearing like my hippie pants. I was just like, comfort. Gotta be comfortable in your old age, right? My kitten is excited for you. Ellipses, if read out of context, that could be very weird. But number one, you have a kitten and you haven't shown me. I think that's the important thing, and I'm upset about that. Damn, David, you good? Only True Trader, thank you, guys. PJ Pants on birthday is a necessity. You know what, Ellipses? When you were right, you were right. Damn, David. What is this channel? Hey, James. Well, this is trading, but apparently today it's just chaos. So much chaos. Oh, I haven't. I've gotten so distracted that I haven't even been able to do what I need to be doing. I got things to do and I haven't done any of them. You're a very weird human. How did you even think of that? Ellipses, you've seen some of the comments, right? You have to start thinking like that, whilst my poor little naive brain gets bullied. I apologize. Now I'm just as bad as some of them weirdos, but it's fine. I can't call them weirdos. That sounds mean. One last thing. David, are you good, bro? Where am I from, James? I am South African. Where are you from? Bob! Good morning, Bob. How you doing, Bob? How's it going? Are we ready for the day? Wait. Bob, why are you awake? Nothing mean about being weird. Being a normie is being a muggles. All them muggles. Actually, do you know what? That's something I need to do. I need to have a Harry Potter marathon again. I haven't had a Harry Potter marathon in a while. You know, speaking of muggles. Trade Delicious, what's up? And Scalper, hi. Woke up to pee. Nice, Bob. David? my goodness. You're spamming indeed. Are you good? US section kind of sounds like Bluey. Best place to visit in South Africa? Ooh, I guess it depends on what you want to see. It's quite a tricky question because there's a lot to see in South Africa. So, do you want the beach? Or do you want the wildlife? You know, what do you want to see? Hey, Scalping, yeah, got all clear. So we are amazing. Is trading maths? There's some math to it, yes. Gold and silver are true money. Hey Cole, what's up? There we go. Wildlife, then the Kruger National Park. Like Limpopo, all that. Oh my goodness. Okay, shout out to Dave. David, you are hilarious. Oh, rip. Today is Tuesday, which means we're probably going to be headed towards the new weekly opening gap or somewhere around there, right? So have a look for potential shorts, especially because we've been climbing. It could also potentially be rangy today. Did I nail it? Are you proud? Are you proud? Are we good? Celestine, what's up? James, well, it depends. I mean, David's here, and David's quite trigger happy chappy, so not that much before getting banned. Hi, life. What's up? How you doing? Silver has nearly doubled. In fact, doubled. Has it doubled? It is. Thanks, High Life. Thank you. There we go. Like I said. Can I what? Whoa, it's gotten humid. So it was literally thunder and lightning this morning. Thunder and lightning. Then the clouds very briefly cleared and I quickly ran to take Perry for a walk to the beach where he proceeded to murder 2 crabs. Like, he's so mean, but anyways. And then... Hey, Sully! Thank you, thank you. You guys are so sweet. I don't know, James. Mm-hmm. Oh my greatness, it's hot up in here, but anyways, moving on. Give us a nice trade then. Oh, no pressure. Highlight. Why, Rip? You sure I want to trade on my birthday? Why? Why? Is that a bad thing, Rip? Now you're making me nervous. What's wrong with trading on one's birthday? Is it bad? Is it bad, Jujubes? Okay, I have to mark out things. Wait, give me a minute. Let's maybe focus for a second. You know, just a second. Just a mere morsel of an itty bitty second. Okay, well, here indeed is now New York high yesterday. Stop it. Behave. Can I play something for you? What do you mean by that, Celestine? Beaver, what's up? Oh, I get you. Nah. I'm good. I'm even better than I was yesterday. So yesterday, I can tell you guys now because now I'm over it. Yesterday, I probably should not have traded yesterday. You know, to be emotional when trading is not ideal. Are there any weirdos in the chat? No, not really. That doesn't look like it. It looks like all you guys are my community. I love you guys. So there was an itty bitty scare, of the dreaded C word. If you guys, I don't know if you understand, cancer. Anyways, so that's why I went to the doctor yesterday, just to get checked out, and luckily all clear. Don't have to worry. I thought we were going up. Why is that turned down? Because you can ask Rip, but on Tuesdays it tends to go towards the NWOG. Right? Myra, run while you're still green. Wow, David. JP? Yes, Scalp, it's all good. Why I don't use Ichimoku? I've just never used it. David, why do you that's fine. Hey, Angel Eyes, what's up? Again, the usual. It does kind of suck to know I could have had 2 decent trades yesterday. But, like I said, I'm just gonna blame it on mentally not being quite right. Yesterday. I'm good today. We're good and ready to rumble today. Here is New York low. Okay. Marking out all these. Nope, I forgot to change that line. Line dash. Cool. Awesome sauce. Now. Okay, well that was filled real quick. Here's Asia high. Sorry, I'm not responding. I'm trying to focus for just a minute. With 3 a.m. Open. Okay. And that was yesterday. Wait, where is the opening? Maybe I need to mark that out here. Maybe that's not the worst idea. No. Oh yes, actually it is. It's actually up here. Okay, cool. Cool. Come. Amazing. I think I've marked out everything. Now, next is just for me to double check the higher time frames. Let's get confirmation of where we're going, but we might continue upwards. Shimoku is the best leading indicator. $254 or 2.50? 402. .50. Okay, we got a rip level. I love them rip levels. No, shush. That is relevant till taken. Awesome. Angel Eyes NQ. Yes, sorry. You know, day trading? Yes, I am. Captain Courage, what up? Sorry, I was not focusing, but I'm back. Becca Cherry, hi. You know, fasting will kill cancer. Once you stop eating coffee, then the cancer. People, are you serious? Is that real? Is that really a thing? I feel like I need to go and Google this. Solly? Your auntie can confirm. Hey Mgu, what's up? What is the asset I'm on the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. The daily bullish, the 4 hours basically in range. No! I need to trade a why? Okay, well, let's see. Maybe. We'll get something good. And then Rip, let me guess. You're only then looking for things on the buy side because that's when the weekly opening is, correct? Which means anything down is irrelevant. Am I starting to get it? Am I starting to get the lucky duck talk? The lucky duck language? Am I starting to speak duck? Looks like it could go up for the next hour. Hell no, that would be too easy. Wow. Damn. I tried. Hey, my G, what the? How you doing? Quack, quack, lucky duck. Damn. I'm trying, Rip. I'm trying. Am I getting closer? Maybe that's better. Am I getting closer? Or am I actually getting further? But there's a lovely opportunity to the upside. Okay. Tupac, what's up? The lovely opportunity. You're leaning bullish though, but may skip London. Okay. Hey, Samuel, welcome to the community. We're a little bit weird here, but yeah, we have fun. Wait, on your trader, why are you thinking you might skip London? Marble statue, am I up to date? I've actually only hopped on like 20 minutes ago, so I haven't even placed a trade yet today. You're exactly in the place you are supposed to be. That is so cryptic, it's annoying. But I take it as it's a good thing because you added a smiley face, which is wild for you. Am I a day trader? Yes, I am. Good setup for buy at 25340, maybe? Going down 340. Potentially, if it goes back down. Let's have a little looky-see here. Oh yeah. Potentially this could be a really decent one if it comes back down. But let's check out the 5-minute chart. Okay, not so much on the 5-minute though. Equal highs and log. Yeah. Wow. So I'm just looking at the higher time frames quick. 60-minute. Only true trader, I see what you mean. Okie dokie, back to the 1 minute, let's see. Oh no, my eyes. My eyes. I'm so sorry. I trip orb. What's my strategy? So Sammy, I kind of have my own cough. What Dave? What? What's up? What happened, David? Why are we coughing? What did I miss? I feel like I missed something. Oopsie. Hey Dave, what's up? Wow, only true trader? Listen here. I am sorry. Got my 50-minute last week. Wanted to see stop him up 1 minute long, but didn't get it. Damn, Augustine, what's up? David, why are you coughing now? I'm nervous. What happened? I feel like I missed something. What's the preferred leverage? I don't use leverage. Sorry, Edro. And do I touch on CFDs? No, sorry. I do not. Apologies. Marble? Oh, thank you. What limits do you think that you need to be considered a day trader? I just have a lot of money eating off my... Actually, that's a good question. What limits do you hit? I think a day trader is just you are in shorter trades. Am I basically a day trader is a scalper? If I'm not mistaken, right? I'll zoom in. Thank you. You mostly trade gold. How's gold looking, by the way? Solly? Oh. Oh, my bad. Sorry. Sorry, David. Sorry. My biggest issue with trading is my 0% win rate. Is it my strat? So you have 100%. How many trades have you done? Grill Dave? Grill Dave? Grill Dave. You know what's annoying? I want to take this trade, but I've only got 2 confluences. This is not an A+ setup for me. Shoot, man. Well, that's frustrating. Let's maybe zoom out. Maybe there is more no, not really. Damn, okay. So maybe not. Maybe no trade. Yeah. Wait for the A+ setups. Oh, wait for the A+ setups or else you make a fool. Hey, Calvin, what's up? And Jay? Bruce? Price action content. You like my like all dogs behave similarly, but I know my own dog. Angel eyes, that makes sense though. It is because I did try looking at gold. I did try giving gold a go. It felt foreign. It wasn't doing anything abnormal, but because I'm so used to the futures, like you said, it similar. Very, very similar, but slight differences. Ah, good. Well, I probably shouldn't. When I first thought I got a few good ones, and that's little real quick. Well, I would have to say then a lot more backtesting, maybe find a strategy that works for you, and then it's about the discipline. Were you just taking any and every trade? You know, like I said now, part of me does want to take this trade. However, it's not an A+ trade for me. So even if it does work out, it wouldn't have been the correct trade for me to take. Does that make sense? Oh my goodness. Thank Michael. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Wow. I appreciate that. Sorry, did you see I had to like take a moment? Because I was like, wait. And I've missed so many things. I'm so sorry. Muggy, what's up? How am I doing? I'm doing good. I've gone through the 2023 mentorship. I have not. Item group, hello, how are you? Thanks for the new subs, by the way. Jose, what's up? My biggest profit in one setup was probably, what was it? It was like 400 and something. Let's say $460. So I risk 200 and it's a 1 to 2 hour trade. So I have been leaving some runners recently depending on the market, and that's how you make up a little bit extra, but it'll always be around $400 profit. But you can have multiple trades in a day. Like yesterday, I missed 2 winning trades. That was lots of fun for me. Thanks, Jose. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks for the support. Shout out, Michael. I've tried micro scalping, but didn't quite work. I try swing trading and trends, but the market really likes my stop loss. Roll there. Max drawdown on what in particular? Are you asking here right now? Like what I have? Roll that, maybe you just need to find a new strategy that works for you, that makes sense. Does the one that you use, does it make sense to you? So you trading live? Nice. Thank you. Yes, I am. I'm trading live. Yeah, and that's fine. Juju? Yes. I trade fixed RR. They tend to always look like, so I use my GAN box, just to give you an idea. This would look like this. Entry. There we go. Yeah, round, well, there it's at 2.4. Yeah, 2R trade. Like I said, I do, if I see there's some good impulse, leave a runner, and that runner could just continue up, or it comes back and then I have a trailing stop loss with that runner. Listen, Rip, clearly it's a silly goose day. You're gonna have to bear with me. I know you bear with me quite a bit, but... NQ already bounced up from the 5 down to 1 hour. Okay, so I'll be looking for long entries if I were trading right now. Sometimes I'm wrong though. No one is ever 100% correct. Especially when it comes to the markets. I don't think there's such thing as being 100% correct. I want to take this trade, but it might not be the best one. And then I'm going to feel like a chop if it doesn't work. Who's your biggest inspiration in the trading industry? Mine is trades by DSI. I have not. Who's my biggest inspiration? This might sound bad, so deal with me. Maybe it's cheesy, I mean, maybe it's a bit of both. But for me, actually, you guys are. I am aware it sounds cheesy. But, you know, all the big names in there, I know they obviously started from nothing and went, but it's also you guys here who are actually wanting to come and help and be supportive and an amazing community. I would say you guys actually inspire me more than anything else. I'm aware of how cheesy that sounds. Okay, I am aware, but still. Thanks, David. I'm just confused about everything, guys. I'm now old. Maybe things are just not working anymore. Oh, only true trader. What? That is amazing. So he's doing better than me. I'm a little bit like, what the heck, man? But that is, whoop whoop, that is so cool. Only true trader. What the heck? Hey, the Prince of Pips. I trade the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Nah, she's the oh shush, David. Yeah, you old. Boom, boom, boom. I feel like I need to reiterate this. You are. This is why I hate birthdays. Everyone just wants to call you and be annoying. Boom. I'm still younger than you. I'm just saying. Also, hi, Boom. You're sitting there being all quiet. What would be a good strategy to look into if I want to trade in Nasdaq futures? Girl, listen, any strategy can work. It's just if it makes sense to you. So I don't know what's a super easy. You could maybe start looking into the orb strategy. Orb strategy is it didn't work for me, so I didn't really continue with it. But it's theoretically a simple or quite a simple strategy. There's a lot that goes into every strategy, but like I said, it's just if it makes sense to you. I'm surprised I had zero faith. Only true trader, that's rough. What, like zero faith in yourself or zero faith in your cousin? Boom Banana, I'm 22. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Who loves an old silly goose, right? Oh, thanks, Jose. You're so sweet. Thank you. Okay. Juju, what broker do I use? So I'm currently using Top One Futures. But been wanting to maybe, I just want to stick with one. But I've been wanting to change to funding ticks, but it is what it is. Oh, thank you, the Prince of Pips. Damn, why did I think Boom was like 26? I'm 20. High Life. High Life, are you in this, by the way? She needs a walking out. Wow, you guys are mean. You guys are so mean. How long have I been trading? Oh, not long at all. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still very new. Not as new as Only True Trader's cousin, who just passed its first eval, by the way, which is amazing. And Jelly's doing better than me. Only True Trader. Also, are you really only 20? I thought you were older. I really thought you were older. Huh. Look at that. Minutes. Bounce off there. I don't think it's gonna give me a nice entry, which is kind of frustrating. Anyways, High Life, are you in something? Right now? Maya, put on a jacket. Why? Why is Boom being so mean? What happened, Boom? Did you wake up grouchy today? Damn. Oh, damn. Okay. And how's Dex treating you, High Life? 20? Damn, only true trader. Now I feel old. Okay. Now I do. Thanks, Rip. Nope, you're right. Invest in cat food and septum piercings. It's low-key funny. But no. Invest in horses. So I see Boom Banana woke up and chose violence today. Cool. Who hurt you, Boom? What happened? Do you do the type of system I trade? Do you mean like my strategy? What do you mean by type of system? Yeah, true. It's giving auntie energy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just stab me right in the heart there. How rude. This is now starting to look like a better setup. Or is it? Pretty prime. Back up. I'm still looking at the time. Awesome. How has... Never mind. I said it's just because I'm old now. I'm like, wow, time is going slowly. I thought we'd been here at least for like an hour. Nope, 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 nope. Not even 40 minutes. Took me so long to become profitable, it's not even funny. How long? Only two. I mean, you don't have to tell me. I'm just kind of curious. I should hit Boom with a 60-second timeout. I need to call a 30 or 40-year-old, but... I mean, Rip. You know what? I would love to be old in experiences. I think that is the golden life, to be old in experiences. To have actually experienced life, because there's some people that are older that have done nothing. That sounds mean, but you know what I mean. They've lived a very, I don't even want to say a safe life, a very like cushy life maybe, but they haven't experienced life. I want to be old from experiencing life. Maybe that is just like the goal, but that comes with the freedom, which is why I started this. The freedom of, well, financial freedoms, that you can go and travel and experience something new. This is just slowly going up, up, and away. And it didn't even come back to get me in, which was just rude. Why is it being so slow? Is it because it's December? No, is it because it's Tuesday? Oh, sorry, Satyama, any advice for beginners? Advice for beginners? It's a good question. Because I feel like I am still. Wow. Give me a second. Give me a second. I need to... Okay, wait. Sorry, Rip, I just saw your message now. Got it. Thank you. But I need to do this. Where's he at? There you are. Knox, what's up? Everyone's being mean to me. Everyone decided that they're all gonna hop on and bully me. So, welcome. I thought you guys would be nice because it was my birthday, and here you guys are just like, time to destroy her. Bunch of bullies. Anyways. It's the second day of the last month. Markets are not hungry anymore. They want to relax a little. Oh, that's a bit disappointing. I actually want to climb that mountain. I've missed a lot, but it's fine. Hey Ramji, I have not looked at gold, sorry. Genji, how old am I today? 40. I feel 40, does that count? I'm actually 27 today, guys. You guys are just being mean. Hurting my feelings. Just kidding, you need feelings for that. Oh, you didn't see that one coming, did you? Stab my glasses. Moving on. Thank you, Savio. You're so sweet. Did you wait for New York session? Knox, ban them all! Now, looking at the eyes, you're gonna go with Gingy. Oh, that's just all my wisdom. That's why they look 50. I say, crying on the inside, you big meanie. Damn! How did I obtain my first trading capital? Lots and lots of working. I've been working since I was 18 years old. No, I lied. Sorry, I've been working since I was 16. I've been working since I was 16 years old. Also, hey Nox, how you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. How's your project been going? You're young. I'm 36. Nice. One hour 20, like I said 12 minutes ago. I know Angel Eyes, but I couldn't get in. I'm assuming Angel Eyes, do you mark it in? Do you wait for it to come for a pullback? What's your thing? I'm pretty sure I've asked you this before, so I apologize for that. Oh, Rip was getting annoyed with me. So, but then did I not mark that correctly? But now you've gotten me confused because I marked the open. Am I supposed to be marking the closing price? No, the open price. Open price. Done. Sorry guys, I am multitasking. It's hard for someone that's now in their old age. Okay, moving on. Nox? You should have started trading when you were 16. Scalper? Maybe I should have. But literally no one in my family are traders. Damn, David, thank you. What the heck, man? I smell feet and a trade coming. Okay. Okay. Thanks, David. That was very weird, but I'll go with it. Anyway, Scalper, like I was saying, literally no one in my family knows anything about trading. Like I said, last year, actually even Feb last year, I'm acting like we're in 2026 already. Feb this year, Here we go, down to Rip's level. Let's see if it respects it properly. Again, sorry. Feb this year, I still thought trading and all of that stuff was, well, you know, like a waste of money and a bit of a scam. You know, how some people hop on here and say that this is a scam. I want to be angry at them, but I also understand because it is questionable if you don't know anything about it. Like I said, exactly like how I was beginning of this year. Here we go. Well, that just ran away. Boom, you trading? Or you just hopped on to bully me? I life. Suck getting everything set up, but get no entry. Yep, only true trader. Guys, please change your socks daily. High life. Moving on. Same, you're the only trader in your family that gets it. I can't have conversations with anyone about it. Well, I have conversations with you guys, but everyone's like, so how's the markets? I'm like, yeah, good. All the worst is I know some older guys who think they know a lot, but you know, they more give their money to accountants who put it in for investing. So they try to come at me with things and I'm just like, okay, whatever. I have not my entry. I'm out. It's a good day. Did it get your entry or not? Hey James, what's up? He could have been. We do? Where's the other banana? Where did the banana go? Where's the second banana? Where's Hannah banana? Mo, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. SMC? Yes, what about SMC? Internet money again. So SMC stands for Smart Money Concepts. Saint, is that what you're asking? But yeah, trading the Nasdaq futures, or MNQ if you want to be specific. Oh, it turned out to be an A+ setup, right? Well, yeah, it is what it is. Oh, Solly, no! Solly, why don't you leave runners? Oh, there we go. I took the trade way earlier, like one day, nice. I haven't seen any. Oh, I see there's another banana. What up? The Mer banana? You're an MNQ buys. Are you a swing trader? Internet money? I trade intuitively after spending countless hours staring at charts and looking to start using a specific strategy though to free up time and lower stress. Okay, Angel Eyes, so basically a set it and forget it type of strategy, right? Thank you. This big belly up can be a good entry, looks like unicorn pattern. See, my poor little brain wants to be like, let's do this. But, I mean, how big is this now? Because this is huge. This is a mess. Oh, it's not that big. It goes that far down though. Yeah, are we gonna trust it to go back up? I hate my VWAP sometimes. range would be better. Be a better opportunity to get an entry. But again, I don't think it's going to go that far. What does it look like on the 5-minute chart? Oh, Rip's level. I can delete Rip's level, right? Rip, it's now gone and taken. Around 5 contracts. Would be a little bit better with entry a tiny bit higher, but okay, well, it's set. Oh my great giddy aunt, I've missed a lot. Oh my goodness. Hey Steven, how's it going? I see I've missed a lot. Too small for YouTube. What's that? I'm gonna start scalping 1 hour support resistance level breakouts. Actually looking for. Oh damn, okay. Trim, what's my biggest loss? Ooh, good question. On a single day? Would have been around 600. No, maybe a little bit more. Let's say around 650 in a day, because I only allow myself 3 losses and I risk around 200 per trade. So naturally, 3 losses means done. And that would be obviously 246, $600. But I think the one I may have had a little bit too large. But yeah, around that much in one day. Platform, I'm using Project X on Top On Futures. Ellipses? What just happened? Maya, you need to do your hair one of these. My hair, like how? Boom? Like how? How do you want me to do my hair? You have to be a little bit more specific. Ellipses, I have questions. Shave it. Are you crazy? Rip. No signs for everyone. The 3 to 4 range. Wait, it's 4. Wait. I'm still curious about Ellipses. Is he okay? Ellipses! Ellipses! Come back! Curl it. Curl it? I mean, it's basically curly already. I straightened it the other day. Did you not see it straightened? Oh, thanks, Stephen. You're very sweet. Thank you. Anne Hathaway, this is a good look. I haven't seen what she looks like. Christmas. It's not Boom's birthday, he's just full of rubbish. Norris, your eyes open. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Wine, how much did the wig cost? I wish. If I was buying wigs, I would get really cool colors and do some real cool things. I say that, I've dyed my hair some wild colors before. Oh, thanks, Norris. Thank you. I need to use a curly iron thingy. Okay. Bet. I'll use a curl iron thingy. I will give it a try. Just for you, Boom. Okay. Like I said, I straightened it the other day. You've seen it straight. I remember even the market bounced. Okay. Cold Zero the Wise, what's up? What's this channel about? It's actually about trading, believe it or not, but apparently it's about chit chat today. I wanted my entry down here. Maybe I was being a little bit too enthusiastic with how big the retracement would be. It does look like it just went into that fair value gap and it's now going to pop back up, which is a bit of a bummer. You can see I even set my limit buy here. I liked it on the 5 minute for a potential retracement back down, but apparently it's just going to run away. And we do not chase price. That's bad. Am I going to hit myself if I do this? Ooh, no I won't. Yep, yep, did not retrace far enough down. Is this correct? Yeah, but fine. Scalper, what's that? Ooh, just ends dyed pink like Maria in Silent Hill 2. I could do it purple, believe it or not. Maybe I should do that. If I make the ends purple. I actually have a way to do that, but anyways. Ellipses, are you okay? Guys, I'm really concerned about Ellipses. Is he good? Ellipses! Maybe he fell asleep. On his computer. But then, okay, Rip, hear me out. It would require marketing in, correct? Here's 4. Okay, so 4 is about to happen now. Because in that time range, retracement usually happens. 70%, not 0.5. Oh, I see. Okay. So rip. And where would you have your stop loss for that type of situation? So let's go back down here, right? At around 30%, I'll get everything sorted now. Wait. Where's my notepad? Oh, Lipsies, is it your little kitten? Cute, man. Oh, that's okay. Anyways, moving on. Wait, Rip, go. Ellipses is always here. Just checking, because I was like, what is going on? Boom, ellipses. Oh my goodness. Level. On you can, and watch how many times goes from there. Okay. I'm gonna do that after stream. I'm gonna add that. You can color me intrigued. But again, sorry, I don't know if you've responded for ICT traders being threshold rings about. Where would you put stop loss? Same as where it is? Hey, Sun Consecutive, what's up? Again, apologies, I feel like I've missed a lot of messages. I apologize. No. Boomerang, I feel like that's a lie. You have one with your actual name as well, right? Boom. At this rate, Boom would settle for... Wow, you guys are being so mean. Boom, do I need to put people on like a minute timeout for you? You can tell me, I'll do it. Stop can be your 50 because just 50% of that was that is reached. Ding ding ding. Okay, okay, Rip. Okay, okay. Okay. We're gonna do this. Okay, just checking, Boom. You know, I got you. Apparently I'm old, I need to put little kids in their place. My trading is for you to watch. Add a 0.7 level on that and select high and low. 3 to 4. So is it the high of 3 and the low of 4, correct? Nope, I marked it wrong. Like that? Wait, let me double check what you said here. Thanks, Rip. My Boom started it by me. Oh, goodness. Conlon, what's up? Oh, sugar honey iced tea, wait, but now it's done such a massive push up. I'm learning things. Rip's here yelling at me. No, I'm joking. Well, low-key joking. Oh, yeah. That's mean. Okay. That would have hurt my feelings a little bit. That really would have hurt my feelings, but we appear to have hit a little bit of a resistance. And this has been taken. That's gone. Headed towards Asia High. It is headed towards Asia High. And the new weekly opening. Not so much the gap, but there wasn't really a gap. Maya doesn't do martial arts. Ellipses? I have done kickboxing. Excuse me. Just saying. looking. Oh my goodness. Anyways, ready doesn't have water. Anyways, moving on. Scalper, I'm so sorry. I see this now. Curl cream to hold the curls. Look up curl cream. Scalper, I should give it a go. Do you know what's so frustrating about my hair? So maybe I do need to get curl cream. On the days where I would like it to be curly, it goes nah, and it just goes flat. And then on the days where I'm like, okay, you can be curly now. No, wait. On the days where I want it to just be like flat and straight and just behave, it does weird and wonderful things. My hair has a mind of its own and it's crazy. Sorry, I know you sent that ages ago. I apologize. Hey Becky, what's up? How you doing? Send. 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 My greatness. Not kickboxing it. Anyways. English accent, day trading, classical music in the background. Me a banana. Yeah. Need to go. So much fun without me. Aww. Wait, what's bizarre? Like bathroom bizarre? High life? No, that's not right. What is bizarre? Oh, cheers, high life. Rip, check Discord on it. And watermelons peel very much in comparison. Anyways. Hey Gwen, what platform? I'm trading on Project X. I'm with Top 1 Futures Proprum. Yes, okay. Okay, Rip. Is this how you mark it out on your... Is that what you're showing me? Correct? Okay, but closing above, wanting to head back up. If I do, anyways. Are they CFDs? Sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, by the way. Becky, you're fine. Which best trading? Are you asking about the prop firm, Becky? Yeah. I'll post a pic on DC later. Groceries food. Oh, cool. Thanks, Highlight. Go on. What's my opinion on glass sticker? No, wait. Are you asking me? I feel like you're asking me. I'm not sure. Gwen? Yeah, Gwen, what do you trade? What's your thing, by the way? Now that it looks like some of the chaos has calmed down, but I could be lying. We're still quite early in this. Okay, we have hit a little bit of resistance, which makes me feel like if we go back down, we're going to go back down properly. Or it's going to break right through. See, this is where my FOMO brain actually just wants to mark it in, but I know that's a bad idea and I should not do that. I want to do it, but I know I shouldn't. David? 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 I want to show up. Chance? Thank you, I think. Thanks for the offer. Is that a compliment or a nice thing or not? Not really. Let me know. Look at pattern with 5-minute time frame, please. See all entries I can make use. Oh, no problem, Sid. I can. Let's check the 5-minute, but like I said, this kind of ran away. I expected a little bit of a retest somewhere, but it's just going up. Up, up, and away. Okay. No, never mind. I was gonna say, once it's taken out Asia high, do you think it's gonna continue up, or is that gonna be a little bit of a push back down? But the opening is around here. I think it's gonna continue back up. Just keeps running away from me. Gonna come back to Asia. Nope, maybe not. In price, but not in time. Okay. Gonna copy paste this. I'll see. Been trading, but I do prefer stock. Oh, yeah, Gwen. And how long have you been trading for, by the way? Do I trade Bitcoin? No, sorry, Sean, I don't. Do I invest in index funds as well? If you do, wait. Sorry, Clash, I don't. I've only been, so for those of you that are new, welcome, by the way, welcome. Apparently welcome to the chaos today. Because what the heck? 473, give me a second, I'm making a rip level. Ooh, wait, I might be missing an entry. Potentially, let's see. I have it set up. Might not go, it might go that far. Okay, moving on. So, no, I haven't done any investing yet. I will look into it, but for now, just day trading. Maybe one day I will attempt that. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Nox? It's Marmite, but worse. Oh, thanks, Nox. I was like, yeah, okay, I'm not a fan of Marmite, so I get it. Well, had a nice 5-minute entry, but didn't get tagged, done for the session. No, only True Trader, why? So manipulation in this chart, amazing. Samuel, any special plans for this beautiful day? No. The usual of chill and do nothing, I guess. Well, I say chill and do nothing, I'll go to the stables, but okay. But the usual. Nothing special. I don't really celebrate my birthday, so it is what it is. Now it's time for me to go. Oh, cheers, Sid, enjoy. Wait, 8 years. Damn, 8 years and profitable? Or how is it for you? Sean, do I want to say something about Bitcoin? I don't know. I've heard so many different opinions when it comes to Bitcoin. It's, yeah, I feel like it's a bit of a touchy subject, actually. There we go. Right there. Wait, Gwen, are you South African? Welcome, welcome. There's a bunch of us. Welcome to the SA channel. That sounds terrible, but yes. Speaking of, if anyone wants to... Here we go. Boom. Sorted. I think. You see, I put my money on cod skin. Oh, what's happening? Yeah. Listen. Listen, Nox. 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 Don't I wonder why the price is 100k? No. Not only TT market, all caps. Like I said, this is where the Bitcoin debates come in. And some guy's not even here to help defend it. Oh my goodness, Boom Banana, you're cold. No! Hey, welcome, what's up? Hello, hello, how's it going? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Bradley, where are you from? Boom, go get a blanket. Yep, and then... Son, what's up? What application do I use? So I'm using Project X, using Top 1 Futures. Is that what you're asking? Son, you make me nervous when you come on and you do that. Do you think it's gonna go back down now? Welcome? Nope. Nox? I don't think so. Is it buffering, guys? Oh no, Bradley, I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, I can't. Apologies. Hey, Meditations, what's up? Am I buffering for anyone else? Oh, thank you. Thanks, Meditations. Hey, some guy, I swear, I say your name enough and you hop on. Happy Tuesday. I was actually just saying, where are you? I need you here. For the biddy. You gotta come and help defend Bitcoin. I've been using ThinkTrader, but it's CFDs, yep. You'd prefer spot. You prefer spot. Which instrument am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Son, stop it. It's going to come down. Looks like it needs to retest. It needs to retest a lot. But I wanted to take Asia highs, but it might retest even further down. Son, you made me nervous, but yesterday you guys made me nervous for a perfect trade, and then I didn't take the trade, and then guess what? It was a perfect winning trade. Just saying. Perfect winning trade. No, no. Never mind then. I will be quiet. You know, David, you do you. I'm psychic, not too bad, but I can tell what is inside each and every wrapped present. It's a gift. Skeletor, that was amazing. I think that's one of my new favorites. That is one of my new favorites. Meditations, I trade the Nasdaq futures. Oh, thanks, Bradley. I believe it'll rise. Huh? 3-25422. So right by where my entry is. Haha. See down simply because MicroStrategy is threatening. We saw the BTC and the whole metric channel. Oh, interesting. 40k before 300k. Oh, ellipses, really? Hey, amazing. So have you joined? They can take a loan. Ellipses, ellipses, ellipses. Son, stop it. You're being mean. You're making me scared. Anyways, boom, are you still in a trade? What's your thing? And if this is a loss, then it is what it is. Then we reevaluate. But point is, I like the trade. I took the trade. I had my 3 confluences. This was all I need. Okay, moving on. Hey, Rizzy, what time is it over by me? It is 22 past 11. It's 22 past 11. How is it already 22 past 11? Well, 23 past 11 now. Sean, it's for now says a fail safe that will impose 2 condition. See, I'm done. I'll take my $4. $4, damn. Here's a good for Tesla. David, what do you call a detective who accidentally solves all his cases? Sherlock Holmes. You know what? That was a good... Did you Google that now? Out of curiosity. Tell me it'll never go as low as 40k, can I tell you? Hey, Art, I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Seems like... New here seems like an interesting... Yes! Def... Welcome. It is chaotic, but we all have fun here together. No, I'm joking. We all have fun here together. No, you little fluffer. You have to tag me in first before you do that. Just because I said that it's going to tag me in and take me straight out for funsies. That'll never happen. Too much Bitcoin in game. Oh, Sean, don't ever say that to some guy. Nothing, boom. Damn, nothing. Nothing. Oh, no problem. Hey, dragon, what is happening? I'm wanting to cry because it missed my entry. That's upsetting. What the heck, man? Son, why are you still pulling that face? I had the correct idea. Well, let's see. Before I get to... Haha, look at this. Man. Into the universe, you manifested sub 40 BTC in the future. You'll be my liquidity. I appreciate you. Nice, David. Oh, Dragon, like, what is this about? This is about trading. Had the right idea. It just didn't come far enough down to get me. Mother fluffer. And there's Asia High taken. Rip, I'll put that 0.7 level on, by the way. Because I'm curious. This feels like chasing now, and it's just taken out Asia high, so I'm not gonna do that. Man! You can't even say it's from lack of not putting entries in today. I've put entries in today, they just have not come far enough down to tag me in. That hurt my feelings a little bit, but whatever. Will there be a reversal here? Dragon Trader? Good question. Maybe a bit of a retest. However, it has not hit Rip's level yet. So maybe not. I trust in Rip's level. Dragon seems more like you're making a bet. How? Side one recently. Actually, 69k. Oh, okay, sorry, that's some guy talking to Sean. Market makers, yep. When relax, it'll come down. I know, but too late now. It's gone too far down. Thank you something. Please take time to understand it. Don't rush and watch that every day. Thanks, Rip. Yes, I will. Thank you. Thank you. I see I got a little message. I'll go have a look. Hey, Shorts. What's up? How's it going? Welcome back. How you doing? Your entries were always below or equal to the last. Knox, are you saying to me? Put them on the last week of time. Might be short of 25455. Gold is getting crushed. Gold is getting crushed, really. Aw, thanks, Dragon. Nox. Oh, thanks, Nox. Sorry. I don't know who's talking to I don't know who's talking to who anymore. So, Nox, I had a thing, because I've watched a few videos, naturally, as you do to keep learning, and it basically said if it hasn't retested the 50%, it is going to, but obviously you don't know when it's going to. So this one, you saw, it did not come and retest the 50%. This one, I guess, theoretically it did. It was just tiny. This would have potentially, would this have, I don't know, would have been really close to a stop. So maybe when it starts doing this, it just seems risky. It seems risky. Maybe I should backtest these little basically impulses and corrections when it comes to the London. I'm not going to try it now purely because it literally just took out Asia high, which means it could start to go back down. Once it's taken out Asia high, I need to wait for confirmation that we're going to continue, because it could be a reversal. Aw, cheers, boom, where you going? Hey, Benjamin, thank you, you're so sweet. Me, that's not happening yet. You want to make a website for yourself and on the socials. Other ones. Not, but I see what you mean. I do, and that's what I used to do, but then it used to take me out, but maybe I have an idea that I could do, but I might get yelled at. When it's like this, take all of them, just one contract though, and see if it actually works out in the long run to just use these smaller ranges. So I used to just use the smaller ranges, and I think it took me out more often than I got the wins. Now you make me think, Nox, maybe I should just try it again, these smaller ranges, and just one contract. I mean, it's so tiny, one contract's actually not going to be that much, but if it actually works out, then you can start placing 2 contracts. You can maybe start placing 3 contracts, then 4. See, Nox, now you're making my brain go, See, so that one would have been a loss, but I would have already had 2 wins. And where did I have this earlier? I had it here. Let's see now with regards to this. Like I said, I'm now an itty bitty bit nervous because it did officially take out quite a bit of important, yeah, a lot of important stuff. What indicators that I'm using a GAN box, if that's what you're asking? I like corsets in particular. I do, ellipses. They're just comfy and easy and quick. Does that make sense? I mean, to be fair, ellipses, if you had to see me in person, you probably won't recognize me because I normally... Well, I guess it's because it's mostly true. I look like I've just hopped off of a farm because I'm a mess and I'm full of grass. But, yeah. What happened, David? Sorry, I see I've missed a lot. Yeah, focus. Clear movement upwards, clearly going for Asia high as normal. Yep, but not so. Now that it's taken out Asia high. So that's why I said I've now cancelled this trade because it took out Asia high. I need confirmation. Oh, it's just a bit disappointing, but I guess it is what it is. You can't force the markets. You also don't want to be chasing the markets. It's really annoying. And I'm trying so hard to stick with my rules. I really am. I really am trying so hard. It is the discipline, right, Rip? The discipline. Do you know what's funny? I don't know if Rip is still here. Took 100 points. Oh, nice, Rip. Well done. Whoop, whoop. Lucky duck you, Rip. It's impossible I won't recognize you. My ellipses? I will... I mean, I basically just live in tights and baggy shirts. No. Yes. No. Just workout clothes. That's basically it. I have a lot of dresses. Believe me, I have way too many dresses, but I never wear them. Ever. It's very weird. Anyways, moving on. Exactly, so then you can look for the next movement downwards. Nox, you've intrigued me here. I'm gonna have to now a proper... What we do, like a proper scalping, just set it up and go. Especially when it starts to do this. It seems risky, and I'm probably gonna get yelled at by a lot of people. Yeah, I'm sure I have to get some. Discipline, and also means repeatable process, exactly. What woman doesn't have dresses? Okay, but the amount of dresses I have, no. I had a valid reason for cancelling it. I had a valid reason. Not a valid reason. This goes up. I'm gonna hate myself. Rip, is this what you were talking about for? Maybe don't trade on your birthday, because if it's not good, you're gonna feel yucky. Point is, I have too many dresses for someone that never wears dresses. And long, like formal dresses. I never go anywhere that requires long formal dresses, but anyways. Wear a dress on stream just once and see. I've worn dresses before, but do you mean like a formal dress? I'll wear a formal dress. That'll be quite funny, actually. Better ellipses. Maybe tomorrow I'll wear a formal dress instead, because I'm older and more distinguished now. Rip. That's why I asked. Yes. I know, Rip. I'm trying really hard. It's fine. But if you do lose, you have an excuse to get drunk and forget. You know what, Solly? You have a... Oh, thanks, some guy. Thank you. Older and more distinguished. Yes, ellipses. Oh, thanks, Benjamin. You guys are really, really sweet. Thank you. I appreciate it. You guys are so sweet. Oh, thanks, Oliver. I really appreciate that. I literally woke up like this. So, it's fine. Literally, I haven't brushed it. I haven't done anything. This is just... This is what it is. Getting all my glory. Gold is having its fun. What is gold doing? Sorry, Dragon. Again? Hey, Bernard, what's up? Can I teach you? Oh, probably not. And twerk. What? Give me 2 seconds. Okay. I could still enter, but it looks like there is a little bit of a fight between buyers and sellers going on at this level right now. Good idea, bad idea. Good idea, bad idea. Good idea, bad idea. I feel like FOMO wants to win, which is bad. Don't let FOMO win. Don't let the FOMO... Don't let FOMO win. Thanks, Rip. I appreciate it. Thank you. Ellipses, I woke up like this. Ellipses, I wish I was joking though. This is what it is. Dragon Trader, don't enter now. Oh no, yes. Wait for the dust to settle. I mean, I am just a crusty, dusty old dinosaur now, apparently. Apparently, according to you guys, I'm old. Crusty, dusty. The problem. No trade is better than a bad trade. Some guy, you are... Okay, thank you. You guys are right. See, this is why you guys are amazing. You keep me centered. Stop me doing silly things. Because I would love to do silly things, but no, bad. No. See? Arguments. Ellipses older and more distinguished. Dave, what's up? Some guy, you're not. How old are you, some guy? No, sorry. That I feel like that's rude to ask. I apologize. You don't have to answer that. Not old, just experience. Has anyone ever done bungee jumping? Asking for a friend. Musty, crusty, dusty. Oh, thanks, Dolly. There we go. Where did I learn SMC? Google. I know, Ellipses. I know. Don't forget. Oh my gosh. Okay. Got over a decade on you. Oh, damn. And stops. Wait, no. Skydive. Oh! I want to go skydiving so badly. Skydiving looks amazing. Bungee jumping, I'm not so keen on. I've done gorge swings before. That I'm fine. I just think the thought of being held by your ankles is not going to be good for you in any ways. But the gorge swing makes more sense to me. I've done that. That was awesome. Some guys not I mean, ellipses. You never know. You never know. Did the one in Easting. Ooh! Nox, how was it? I'm not doing anything from height. What is the target for Nas? Looks like a very strong sell. Sean? But I would not call this strong. I don't know if it's going to have a proper retest because it ran away now. I don't know if it's going to retest properly before continuing to the buy side, which part of me thinks it wants to do, but we have basically just halted now. I'm waiting for a little bit of a further retest because it just took out Asia high. Imagine it does work out though. But it would be a silly trade. So we don't do that. I've done that before. Made this mistake a few times. So lesson learned, don't. Anyways. Got the name of the bridge, but it's the highest. Oh yeah. Oh, I say which? Oh, nice. Anything adrenaline. Some guy? When you're right, you're right. Sean. You wait for Batman. Who's Batman? Oh, you. Damn. When that sucks. Vertigo is not fun. Hey, House, what's up? I'm never going bungee jumping. I came into this world because of a broken... Oh, wow. Amy Rose, what's up? How's it going? But, rip. That was good. That was good. That was amazing. CC London International wasn't the best 4 entries for me. Yep. Only true trader? Yeah, it didn't. Well, I mean, okay, it's still kind of consolidating in this area. I think it's either going to shoot up or shoot down, but let's not be in it if it decides it wants to go against me. That kind of sucks. Like, that sucks a lot. Only true trader, we still have New York. Wait, only true trader, did you take any trades? Hey Jeffrey, you like this chat community or what? Community. We are community here. But yes, like I said, absolute chaos. But I'm so for it. It's amazing. Good vibes, good energy. All for it. Let's do this. Thanks, some guy. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like the stream, or else apparently you're gonna have losses till the end of 2025, which sucks. Can I like the stream? Maybe I need to like the stream. And then then I won't have any more losses. Maybe that's the plan. Maybe I need to start liking the stream. Maybe that's what I've been doing wrong, some guy. I haven't been following the rules. Are they? Oh, damn. Sure? No. What is Batman shot? There's something called Batman shot. Why are there so many weird names? Like Turtle Soup, Unicorn, Silver Bullet. Silver Bullet, I guess, is a little bit better, but Batman. Batman? What is Batman? down and do the build up is torture. Damn, what happened to Curious the Hype Man? He hopped in now and then. Golded Batman. Only true trader. Oh, why didn't I take the setup? Because it just took out Asia High. And normally when it takes out Asia High, because it's such a massive liquidity sweep, it tends to retest further. Or it either retests further or it's actually a shift. Change of character, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, my brain went where? What? Change of structure. Maybe I need more coffee. Anyways, but only true trader, basically I didn't take it because of the fact that it took out Asia High. And normally when it takes massive liquidity like that, we do see a little bit of a further push down, and then it could have stopped me out, but I see we're actually just consolidating at this level. But sellers look like they're going to maybe win. Let's see. Amy Rose, are you a trader? Oh, thank you, Only True Trader. I know. See, I'm getting better. Oh, thanks, Jimmy. How much longer do I have, like, to live, Jimmy? What a question. Trading with the Crash, what's up? Hey, it's Futures. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. How much longer do I have to live, Jimmy? Damn, I don't know. That's a solid question. Hopefully many more years. You never know though. Thanks, Only True Trader. I appreciate it. It sometimes does not feel that way. Maybe it's just because I'm taking less trades, but I guess I'm being smarter about them. I say that, watch this one now be amazing, but it's fine. I swear the market does it on purpose. I really, really do. Like yesterday. Yesterday hurt a little bit. That afternoon, oh, sorry, afternoon session, I guess. For me, it's afternoon. The New York session hurt me a little bit. So bummed. 2 amazing setups. Amazing. You little fluffy fluffer. Fluff. Fine. Jimmy, I went to the doc. Yes, I did. Trade with the cash? What does that mean? Sean, die trying. Hey! David, did you pick that age on purpose? Hey, poor and hungry. Nothing came back far enough to tag me in until this one. However, I did not take it because of the fact that it just took out the Asia high, which means it could have retested further down and it could have been a problem. That being said, I was actually an idiot. It would have retested further with regards to this, which obviously it did. The one I had theoretically would have been fine. No, like I said, when it comes to that major liquidity sweep, I need confirmation before it does something silly. Dag nab it. Oh well. Gwen, you've missed it. It's heading to a new high now. So Gwen, it should have been an entry here at 0.5. Yeah. Less is more. The goal is to be green for the month, week. If that means taking 2 trades, then so be it. No, that's true. Deb. In the 30 minutes, I see there's a breakout of order block. No, she says bluff. What are you doing? News in 10 minutes? What? There's news in 10 minutes? Is there? Hey! French. Bitcoin boiling. Why are you staying up? Because it swept a session high is really good. Even if this hit TP, it was a good play. Thank you. Oh, holy quack. Rip, I love that. I'm gonna start saying that. Oh, holy quack. Indeed. Okay, Rip, I will. Okay, now I'm. Yeah. Amy Rose, you're only decently great. Why only decently great? I feel like you need to be great, great. Hey, House, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Gotta get some rest with my best wishes on you. Oh, thanks, Emily. You're so sweet. Oh, wow. Only True Trader was so different. I'm like, only decently great. Disgusting. Janta, what's up? How's it going? 2K. Thanks. Bye-bye. Sean, you're welcome. What's up? Happening? What? I do feel like I've missed a lot of this conversation that's been happening, but it is what it is. Okay, well, we can't say I didn't try and place trades today. This one I cancelled for a valid reason. I'm just going to keep reminding myself about that to not get hurt at the fact that this is it's fine. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Maybe I'll be able. No, I probably won't be able to today. Where are we at? Today's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Wow, yesterday was a long day. Only True Trader. Wait. Why did I say so? I don't know, only True Trader. What's happening? I thought you only trade midday. Oh no, House. So I trade the London and the New York session. So I'm from South Africa, House. Where you from? Oh, Wi-Fi is now having a moment. Oh no, no, no! Come on, Wi-Fi, don't do this now. But it is because we're gonna have to hop off soon-ish. Soonish. Got a few minutes left. I would say let's see if something hops on, but I'm not gonna keep my hopes up for that. This is a double top and then goes back down. It could be bad. So okay. 1, 2. The resistance going on over there is a little bit much. Oh. Okay. We've got this, we've got this, we've got this. There was, oh, is it bad now? Here for bad, nice, and your curiosity. What? Amy, where are you from? Oh, House, you're from Nigeria. Welcome. Good place to be for vibes. Hell yeah. For trades today, though. Not from me. Well, I say that. We've got this. We've got this. We still have New York session. Volume's dried up a little bit now, so I guess it is what it is. Oh, as I say that, watch it now start shooting down. Only to try to tell her, listen. Some guy, I feel like I need to ruin some guy's day. Name 5 objects in the room. Okay, my PC, my screens, my water bottle, my coffee mug, and my keyboard. Boom. You weren't expecting that, hey? Hey! Look at that. $10. Boom. In a simple way, you can explain how you find your levels. Until use and... Oh, potato microphone. Interesting name. So basically it's market auction theory. I know I need to improve on it. I hate December. I hate December. But anyways. It feels like there's not enough time in any space or area or universe in December, but it's fine. I need to improve on it, but essentially it's market auction theory. It's super, super simple. Bottom of the range, top of the range. Obviously, there's a few more things that come into play, but entry would be at the 50%. You're going with market structure, so it's very much bullish today. So you would set up a long here. With market structure, setting up a long entry. Oh, Wi-Fi. Entry would be at the 50%, stop loss at 0.2, and there's a 2-hour trade right there. However, we are failing to break the high now, which so... looks like we have a little bit of a higher resistance at this level. Only 2 trade. I don't even remember how I started trading. Really? Only 2 trade. That's interesting. All of them, some guy. Probably some stock manipulation right there, getting confused with Blackberry. K2K beat this? Well, I wish, but sometimes I feel like it goes completely against me. If I wanted to do well, I probably shouldn't be trading live. Oh, hold this. Okay. This would have been a B setup. This is not an A+ setup. This is like a B setup. Part of me wants to take it, part of me wants to do it, part of me wants to do it, but another part of me is saying that's a bad idea. Sorry, David, you didn't have to do that. Thank you. I'm sorry. Well, no one can say that David does not keep his promises. Stock manipulation ain't legal. How am I doing stock manipulation? In any way. You know, asking for a friend. Yeah, you are, David. Definitely, I see that. It's time, but I kind of want to take this trade, but I think it's also a bit too late to take this trade. Maybe it won't even reach that level. Oh, this is gonna haunt my dreams a little bit. Oh, thanks, David. Be the big spoon, but I small. Hey, well, how's it going? Blood tonight, make me rich, Maya. Oh, no. No. Definitely not me. Not yet. Not yet. We gotta be a positive penguin. We gotta be a positive penguin. Not yet. Positive penguin all the way. Hey, dragon. Oh, I'm actually about to hop off soon. You're still in school. Only true trader, so you don't know how you got into this? No, that's valid, David. That's a valid concern. Oh, I think... Absolutely. Yet. Soon, right, positive penguin, we've got this. Trying really hard to be a positive penguin. Okay, I'm gonna call it. Let me go to the stables. I know this was a bit of a disappointing day. Fine. Rip, I'm gonna have a look at what you've sent me as well, by the way. Nox, I don't know if Nox is still here, but Nox... I kind of want to try this now. Of every single... It seems so dangerous. Of every single range. Just taking it, placing like one contract. It might be the tiniest trade ever. However, if it starts to work out really well, then you can start upping the contracts. That's fine. Some guy? Absolutely. Oh no, his eye popped out. He's maybe not that lucky. Where did his eyeball go? I found his eyeball. Okay, nobody panic. Okay, he's back. He's lucky. No, why am I saying lucky? He's positive. That was really bad. That was really bad. Oh my gosh. That was not suitable for children. Moving on. Yeah, clearly. Only with clear direction. Yes, Nox. Yes. Thanks, Rip. Okay, let me go. Let me go. You guys keep distracting me. Okay, and I see the Wi-Fi is having a moment, so I'm gonna go. Again, I love you guys madly. Do I post feet pics online? No, but David does. You can ask David. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining today. Today was a bit, well, let's see. It looks like I could have learned some new interesting tricks. Thanks, Rip. I'm gonna have a look-see. I'm gonna have a look-see now. Okay. I love you guys madly. Apparently I'm committing stock fraud. Anyways, I would be doing so much better if I was. I'm just saying. I love you guys madly. Thank you again for the support. Don't forget to like the stream. I will be back for New York Station. We have got this. New York is going to be good. I'm not going to be a chicken. We're not chickens here. We're positive penguins, lucky ducks, and silly geese. Those are it. Thank you, Jimmy. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York. Have an amazing day, evening, midnight, depending on where you are. I will be back soon. I love you guys.